Good luck, everybody. This is a single box break of Leaf Q 2014. Second time we've done a random player one box break. This is box 267 of 897. Full print run. At least 11 hits, usually 12. Good luck. 64 total spots, one random athlete per spot. A lot of ones today. 1 plus 5 will hit the randomizer 6 times. Good luck to you. Start with Ignacio Nasty on the top, Lily Bean on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Richard Hare on the top, and hook 2 on the bottom. Take the numbers away for sorting purposes. Oops. All right. On to the players. Pardon me. Albert Pujols on the top. Wade Boggs on the bottom. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final hit. Cross screen. So way to go. Look. 6. Dennis Rodman on the top. Bottom spot is Patrick Waugh. Dennis Rodman and Patrick Waugh. All right. There you go. Try and find your name from 1 down to 32. We'll just have to show you 2 screens and get all the names in here. Of course, as usual, I'll post it on the website, sorted alphabetically, so it's easier for you to find. Great lineup, huh? Nice checklist there. All right, and the rest of them. Oops. Yeah, J-Rock 82. So then we got LED down to hook 2, and that's all 64. So you can find your name in that second list there. All right, that's it. Good luck to you. You can start trading names.